Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, this is day 5th. You know we have accepted 30 days English speaking challenge and today is day 5th, and in today's video we are going to discuss about a very common and important question asked by everyone who wants to fluent in English. So everyone asked a question. That question is that is English grammar necessary to speak in English for learning this language? I mean to say, is English grammar necessary to speak in English to be fluent in English? So this is a question. Okay, is English grammar necessary for speaking how to speak English fluently, for learning the skill how to speak in English fluently? Is English grammar necessary? So this is a question that everyone asked, and I have an answer. I just want to share with you my opinion. Okay, but before I would like to say you, if you haven't subscribed my channel, so please do subscribe my channel, because this things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So without any delay, let's get into the topic. So the topic is that is English grammar necessary for learning this skill, I mean to say English speaking skill. So I have a two answer for this. Okay, so first I would like to say something. Sometimes the faulty English becomes the fashion. People correct me on my videos, on my comment section, that you spoke wrongly, this was incorrect, you will not suddenly perfect in one night. Is learning English grammar necessary to learning speaking English? My answer is yes or no. What we are going to do is we are going to dividing the video into two parts. First part I'm going to say why it is no, and second part we are going to talk about why it is yes, and part 3, yes, there is 3 things. If you work on these 3 things, you can speak in English. Okay, so without having to learn so much grammar, you can easily be speaking English. First part, I am going to give you something. Okay, you don't need to learn so much of the grammar part, because it going to paralyze you. It will always going to feel urge you to give perfect sentences, perfect structure, and it is going to paralyze you. Every single time when you are going to open your mouth to speak in English, you are always thinking, overthinking, that too concerned about the grammar, about the sentence. So because of which you are not going to speak in English, you feel hesitate, you feel okay, you are not so much confident. So I have always told you that you don't need to uh, you don't need to know so much of grammar for learning this language. Okay, for speaking in English, so you can easily be speaking English with some amount of grammar. You should not focus too much on the grammar, so do not go into the theory part too much. Let learning grammar be a byproduct of you learning to speak in English. Okay, so if you speak more English, when you speak more English, you are going to automatically learn grammar. It's like a byproduct. Okay, it's something that will happen it naturally when you are learning a language. Anything in the beginning, it's going to feel tired, it's going to feel challenging. Okay, it will require some effort, but on the way of doing so, you are going to learn so much, you are going to learn something. It will enter your muscles memory. Okay, it will enter your mind, and it will get polished over the time. Now let's get to part 2. Why you should learn grammar, why it is yes. It's simple. See, it's not something either you yes or no, either you don't focus, or yes or no, you don't focus too much on grammar or not. Okay, it's not a choice. What I'm saying here, that the underlying principle of speaking English will always be and do not too much focus on the grammar. Do not focus too much on the grammar, on making mistakes. Avoid all that. Okay, feel free to make mistakes, but at the same time, if you are speaking a language, let's say, let's take an example of is French. If I has to speak French, I will need some basic, very few rules to construct my sentence. Okay, and that is where I say a little bit grammar. Okay, not so much, a little bit grammar is essential to make, to forming the structure. Okay, okay, you don't have to be flawless. It's okay to make mistakes. So if I have to speak French, I will have to know a little bit grammar of French. Only then I will make 10, 15 or 20% sense if I speaking French. Okay, otherwise nobody would understand me. Okay, but yes, sometimes it's not, but yes, it's not a overriding. Okay, you don't make to have a choice between two. Okay, the no, I mean to say, the part where I say you don't have to focus too much of grammar is going to along with you focusing a little grammar. Okay, improving your grammar, improving your English side by side. So that's why I call it byproduct. Okay, you learn it while speaking, you learn it while listening. Okay, so we are going to focus on little bit of basics grammars, just a few basic grammars, and for that it will give you great help for you. Okay, so it's okay if you make mistakes, because it's not our native language, it's a secondary language. Okay, okay, so it is not in our environment. English is not our environment. Everybody speaks in their native language, in a regional language, and we are taking so much extra stress in our mind because of this language. You don't need to take so much stress in your mind for this language. Okay, and deal with English as a language, not so much. Okay, so yes, for you a little bit focus on the grammar, it's going to good. And the three things that I'm going to tell you in: one, tenses; second, sentence construction; and third, preposition. So these are three things that you need to focus. You can start with your speaking with the help of these three things. Okay, and in this way you can easily be make some sentences in English, and you can easily be speak in English. Okay, with the help of these three things. Okay, learning grammar beyond a basic level. Okay, let yourself speak more and more speak in English. Let English enter into your conscious mind or subconscious mind. Let English enter in your muscles memory. Okay, that it will become a part of your muscle memory, and okay, and that you will be picking up more the rules that you have learned. You know, you can learn this language. Okay, but because of so much grammar, you are not taking a challenge to learn this language. Okay, enjoy the process. Why are you worrying? If you really want to do well in this journey, if you really want to have fabulous communication over the English, learn English with enjoy. There is no harm in accepting that you love this language. Okay, if you are making mistakes, don't worry. Okay, take this English as a challenge and learn it. It's just like any other language. Okay, it's just like any other skill. You are waiting to be perfect in grammar, and only then you will start speaking English, and you are thinking that you will get some lottery in English, and then you will perfect in grammar, and then you will be able to speak in English. Okay, so that's not going to help you. It's not going to true. Okay, we all are bound to make mistakes when we start to something new. Okay, we always have to fall down, and we have to pick up ourselves again, and we have to start again and try again. Okay, that is a very normal process that goes to learning anything that you want to learn. Okay, so there is no lottery ticket on, even if there is no certainly thing that you find and you swallow any medicine and with some water and your problem is going to remove. Okay, it's not going to happen. Okay, just embrace your problem. Just it's okay if someone laugh at your English, let them. Okay, what's the harm if somebody finding joy you to make a mistake? Why do you have to bother about the others laughing? Okay, others laughing, if someone laugh at your English, then why are you thinking, why are you putting so much stress in your mind? I have seen so many native English speakers. Sometimes they also make mistakes. Okay, so if you are making mistakes while speaking English, so don't worry. It's a process. Okay. Sometimes it happened that somebody speaks in English very wrongly, and the even the native speaker also made mistakes. Okay, what have speak and then you will be master in English. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.